iOS 18.1 beta 5 is released now. So let's see what's new and how to update on your phone. It's now released for US and EU and China. Still it's not available. It's actually big update for Apple Intelligent, and Apple want to improve their AI. So if you don't know how to update your phone with beta version, then go to developer.apple.com, this website. Then top right corner you can see the account option. So you have to go account, then you just need to sign in with your iCloud account. So once you sign in, then if you go to your setting, then you can see the beta update. You have to enable it, and here you can find your beta version. So now I am updating my phone with beta 5. So it's need around 10 or 15 minutes. Once done, your phone will be restart again. Enter your current passcode, then you can see your software is updated completely. Press on continue. Press on continue again. It's an iPhone analytic. Now my phone is open. Now let's see what's new here. My menu and all thing is still same. If I go to the Apple Intelligent, you notice your Intelligent logo, it a little bit changes, and nothing new in this section. All are same. And if you open the control menu, control center, then you can see the two new icon. If you go to the bottom and go to the connectivity, then you can see the Wi-Fi, this icon, and another new icon. It's a VPN, and nothing new. All are the same with iOS 18 or 18.1. And one new thing that I noticed and very useful, if you go to your setting and go to your control center, then you can reset your control center from here. Now a lot of Apple users already complained about this issue. Reset control center, reset. It's already reset. I am trying again and again, and you see it's reset. So I don't think you need to update iOS beta version. Keep iOS 18.1, and hope in the middle of October it will be released. It is now E version, so within 1 week it's released.